Hi guys, it's Choma here, back with another video, and for today I'm sharing with you guys how I got my lashes done. This was the very first time that I actually got to have my lash extensions done professionally, because you guys know I always live in my strip lashes. Like, the instant lashes have been my go-to, but I really wanted to try out lash extensions for the longest now, so I finally got the opportunity to do so via the Lash Code London. So this video is sharing with you guys how I got my lashes done, the process and all of that good stuff of like getting them done basically. All right guys, here we go.
So I'm just applying the under eye pads just to take down your lower lashes so that they don't get caught in your top one. We don't want them to be stuck together. Is all okay? Okay. So your lashes are naturally quite fine. Do you normally wear mascara or anything?
Not regularly.
Okay, yeah, I'm definitely going to use a lighter lash on you because of the type of lashes that you naturally have. Again, they're not going to be too heavy. I'm actually going to use a very light volume to kind of give it a little bit of thickness, but not too much. So mainly use two products in the beginning, cleanser and a prime. Cleanser will take off like any dirt and oil, and then the primer will put some moisture back into the lashes so that they can helps the glue to stick a little bit more. It's only a tiny little bit of moisture. So looking at your natural eye shape, I'd probably say dolly.
Okay, what does that mean?
Which means that the lashes are longer in the middle and short at the side. So naturally that's how your lashes sit. Like these lashes here, they're the longest.
Okay.
And these corners are short. So I'm going to go over dolly style. So what we do is map out where we're going to put each length. It's not done blindly. We always map out. It's a bit like dot to dot, or like a jigsaw, putting things together. So just be careful when you have these lashes done to not just rub your face.
Oh god.
It's easy to get caught and you don't realise that actually I have lashes on. So you have to be mindful, like when you're washing your face, when you're touching your face,
not
when you're rubbing your when you're rubbing your face or whatever. Just try to be mindful, especially when you're sleeping as well.
When you're sleeping, you're not like conscious of what you're doing.
So until you wake up in the morning, like, oh my god.
Yeah. Do you work with a microscope or anything, or is it just by eye?
Yeah, just by eye. It definitely took me a while to train my eyes to see. It's like you look and you think that you can see, but you actually can't. So unless you're doing it like we do, like day in day out, it's easier to see, areas that you may have missed. Especially if you're staring at one eye for too long.
Yeah.
So it's nice to kind of dip between the two eyes sometimes. But what I do is I'll do the eye 3/4 of the way, and then I'll do the other eye, and then I'll come back.
To pick out every single one, it's crazy.
It's such an intricate process that requires so much skill.
And a steady hand.
Yeah. There's so many things that you need to take into consideration, like the speed and your steadiness.
I have had them in for about a week now and they are still looking luscious and glorious. Let me give you guys a close-up. Now, I don't know why it's taking me so long to actually get lash extensions done professionally. As you guys know, I live in my strip lashes. I think they're the most convenient things for me because then I can just get up, put them on and go. But it's the faff of actually having to do that every time if you want to be able to rock a lash look and messing around with glue. Everybody knows about the struggle of putting on strip lashes. Everybody knows. So I actually wanted to be able to get lash extensions done, and I have an amazing friend. Her name's Davina. She owns, yes, owns, okay, black owned business, female owned business. She owns the Lash Code London and they're based in East London in Leighton. I didn't really have any doubts about getting them done. I just know that the only thing that I was worried about is how I was going to take care of them, whether they're going to be a little bit more of a challenge, like washing my face and all that kind of stuff. I kind of like to just get all up in my face to be able to wash my face, but Davina just eased me into the process and she gave me like things that I needed to be able to do to maintain the lashes once they were in, which was a really, really good thing. Davina said that they would last up to 3 weeks with good maintenance. So I am not doing any makeup. I'm coming to you guys barefaced with just my lashes on because I can, and you know how amazing it is to not have to worry about putting makeup on because the lashes just enhance the face and all of that good stuff. It's just been really nice to just be able to get up and go. It's been amazing. So I want to be able to shout out Davina and the Lash Code London once again for having me. It was an absolutely beautiful, amazing experience. Of course, I will be back because, sis, this is going to be holiday lashes at this point. So every time I go on holiday, I don't need to faff about. I can just get lash extensions and then be done with it, basically. But yeah, that is a wrap for me, guys. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, do give it a thumbs up. Also comment below, have you ever had lash extensions done before? Please do comment below. So if this is the first time that you're checking me out or you're returning and you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit that red button to subscribe. Also turn on the auto notification bell, and that way you will never ever ever miss a beat. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.